Hi, I'm Doug Blaine, one of the project managers with Sweeter Builders. And today I'm here with you guys at Narragansett, Rhode Island, and we're working on this exciting project. It's the 2018 Idea House with this old house. Today I wanted to highlight some of the features that we are using from a company called Baird Brothers. They'd offered up all the product of these awesome custom interior doors and millwork, a lot of wood finishes and flooring, all these unique products and ideas that are kind of coming together. I'm excited to share with you guys. So one of the products that Baird Brothers offered up for the 2018 Idea House were these awesome doors. These are 1.75" solid wood handcrafted doors, all made in Canfield, Ohio, shipped directly to the job site without incident. Perfect packaging job. It was phenomenal. One of the key features that I really like about Baird Brothers was the ability to communicate with them through shop drawings, through their catalog and their online purchasing. They made the purchase process simple and smooth, very, very receptive and understanding of what we were trying to achieve here. Picking the doors out with the design team, figuring out what we wanted. Once we got that, we sent that list. They were phenomenal. I mean, they sent us back the proposal. They did door shop drawings for us. We really got to understand the product, and we had comfort in that. So we were really anxious and excited to see the product. But once it showed up and we unpackaged everything, we were really, really happy with what we got. And we're really excited to have this product on board here with this house. They met our schedule, they exceeded our schedule. Super receptive on the phone, easy to communicate with. It was really all in all a great process with Baird Brothers.